Hey guys, what's up? We're back at it with another wig tutorial. Are you guys ready? If you're wondering why have China been missing, well, y'all, life is life and every day I am focusing on 4 of my businesses and I gotta keep all of them running. So life has been lifing. How have you guys been? Let me know in the comments. I miss y'all. But I'm back to give y'all another wig tutorial. And yeah, let's get into it. So as we know, I've already braided my client's hair down. I've already slicked her edges back with some edge booster, well, style factor, edge booster, edge control. And I done oiled her scalp. So now we're going to go ahead and put on her HD stocking cap. Now what we're going to do is apply some bold hold to her stocking cap. This gives the wig installs that scalp effect. Now we're just going to use the back of our comb to even that glue out and make sure that we don't get glue on her edges. You do not want glue to get on your client's edges, all right? After that glue has dried, I just went ahead and cut the rest of the cap off of camera. So after I cut the cap off, I'm just gonna go ahead and start applying glue above her hairline. And then I'm just gonna use the back of my edge brush to even that glue out. You can go lighter on the product if you need to, but me, I like to use a lot of product, so that's what I'm doing, guys. Y'all know how I am with the product. So after I finish my first coat, I'm just going to go in with my second coat and add another layer of glue and even that out as well. Since we are doing a wig reinstall, we're gonna go ahead and put her wig on. Her wig has already been cleaned. It's free of oils and dirt and glue. So we're just gonna go ahead and slide her wig on. Now when you're doing a wig reinstall, what you're gonna do is you're gonna slide the lace where you see the glue starts, okay? So you're just gonna line the lace that's already cut. You're gonna line it up with the glue. You don't want to put it too far over the glue or too far behind. So make sure you're paying attention, and you definitely can see through the lace. So make sure you're looking through the lace to see that glue. Now we're going to just let that lace melt, and we're going to go ahead and sew the back of her wig down. She specifically said she wanted her wig sewn down in the back, so that is what I'm going to give her. How many of y'all like y'all wigs sewn down in the back? You like the band, but you want extra protection, so you like to sew it down. Comment below if you like to sew your wigs down in the back. The style that we're gonna do today is a half up, half down. She wanted this style because she was going out of town, so she didn't really want hair in her face or anything like that. So we're just gonna go ahead and start styling her hair in the half up, half down style. Here I'm just using my wax stick that I got from my local beauty supply store. I'm using this wax stick to go ahead and hot comb her hair so it can, you know, lay flat and neat. First, I'm going to hot comb the back, the part that's going to be down, to make sure that it is out of my way when I'm doing the top part. Now, after I've done that, I'm just going to slide her band up a little bit just to make sure the hairs are all the way back. Sometimes when I've done this style, I didn't do this method and the hair in the front will still kind of be crinkly from the band. So I just pull the band up and I just hot comb it to make sure everything is sleek and straight and neat. Like, I don't know why she thought I was gonna burn her. But anyway, we're about to go ahead and press that top part out. So I'm just gonna do the same thing on this side. I'm just gonna press her hair with the hot comb and make sure that it's flat. After I have pressed her hair with the hot comb, I'm just going to go ahead and put it in like a loose ponytail so I can mold it correctly. Now I'm going to go in with my Eben lace adhesive spray because it just gives the best hold. Like, this is a good adhesive spray, but it is also a great holding spray for any molding styles. After I've applied the spray, smoothed it out with the comb, I'm just going to take my blow dryer and dry it into place. After we've molded the ponytail, we're just gonna go ahead and put the rubber band back on neat. I had already did that off camera, but what I'm about to do now is I'm about to wrap her ponytail with her hair. And I'm using my lace adhesive spray for this as well. Just throw out the got to be and the spritz and the pump it up, baby. Just go ahead and get you some Eben. I'm telling you, it's the best. Now we're just gonna keep spraying and wrapping, spraying and wrapping. I'm gonna apply some track glue just to make sure that the ponytail stays in place and it doesn't unravel while she's on her vacation.
Tell me what to do. All I know is hit the mall and see what damage I could do.
Now that the ponytail is complete, I'm just gonna take her band off. Y'all, that band was on tight. I ain't even gonna lie. But, I mean, hey, the tighter the better because that lace ain't going nowhere, Bookie. So now I'm just gonna press her hair straight. She just wanted her hair straight, so I'm just gonna press it out.
Tryna hit the group chat and tell them it's a come and rescue me. Take me out the club, take me out the trap, take me off the market, take me off the map. I'm tryna hit the group chat and tell them it's a
Now I'm just going to go ahead and lay her sideburns down. I'm just going to swoop them back and make them cute. I just cut them and curled them with my Babyless thin flat iron. And then I went in with some Gorilla Snot to lay them baby hairs down. If you're liking this video so far, go ahead and give this video a like, a thumbs up, y'all. Share this video and subscribe. And boom, this was the final look. Tell me what y'all think down below in the comments. Let me know if this tutorial helped you guys out as well. I will see you on the next video. Mwah.